G'day guys, Greg here. Now today I've come to Red Rooster. They've got a new $4.95 sub box. Sounds too good to be true. How about we go inside and grab it and, well, let's see what we actually get inside this box. Let's get one! Alright, well here we go. The $4.95 sub lunch, the lady called it. And it smells amazing. She asked if I wanted roast chicken, or I could have got like a crispy chicken for an extra 50 cents. I just got the roast chicken. Anyway, let's suss it out. Alright, oh, okay, it's come in a box here. Sweet. There's a couple of other things there. Right. Here we go. Da, 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 da. Whoa, mate! Look how much food is in this. Looks like some onion rings there. We got chips, a potato and gravy, and here's the roast sub roll. I mean, it looks really nice. It's got like roast chicken and lettuce and mayonnaise. Mate! Less than $5 for all that. Mate, I can't believe how much food there is here. $4.95. Try making it yourself for that. Well, let's try one of these onion rings. Pretty nice. Really crunchy. With that onion inside, mate. It could be a little bit over battered, but is that a bad thing? Probably not. Red Rooster chips. We all love these. And these are cooked really well. Oh man. Oh yum. Oh, these are so good. Oh, mate. Potato and gravy. I love Red Rooster potato and gravy. So good. Gravy on the lid. Oh yeah. Oh mate. Let's have a go. Oh, so good. Love the gravy. It's just so thick and rich and really tasty. Better than their competitors, that's for sure. And some chips in the gravy. You got to do that, right? It's the Aussie thing to do. Oh. Oh, mate. Mate, I'm so satisfied already. And I haven't even got to the best part, the chicken sub. How good does that look? Except for this piece of chicken there. That looks like a bit of fatty, gristly, goobly, gobbly stuff. Jeez, I better get rid of that. Oh. The mayo on this it's like a dill mayo. Looks like it tastes like it's mixed with dill or something. Oh man. Tastes great. Anyway, let's try this. Oh. No. That is awesome. And it looks like there's, you know, a fair amount of chicken there. Not like overly excessive, but mate, there's enough. And man, does this taste good with that fresh lettuce, that dill mayo, and that chicken in there. Oh man. Plus the bread roll is so nice and fresh. Oh, dude. It's so good. Man, this roll just tastes so good. I love it. And, well, I'm tempted to put in an onion ring and some chips to see what that's like. But I don't really want to destroy the flavour because it tastes so good. But I'll give it a go anyway. What's the worst that can happen, right? That it tastes just okay. Well, just okay on this is like a top shelf for most places. Anyway, let's go. Oh, yeah. The onion ring in there added this crunchiness and a little bit of onion. Man, that's good. Anyway, I think you know what score I'm going to give this out of 10. $4.95 for all this food, mate. What a bargain. And all of it tastes so good too. The onion rings were good, the mashed potato and gravy's good, those chips are great, and this roll, mate, how good does that taste? It tastes so awesome. Plus, it's such a nice, decent sized feed. Mate, if this doesn't fill you up, I don't know what's going to. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the sub lunch box roll, $4.95, I'm going to give it a 10.5 out of 10. What a great feed, what a great meal. All of it tasted so good, and the value for money is just phenomenal. Mate, I tell you what, you got to whip down to Red Rooster before this deal disappears, because, mate, you'll be kicking yourself when it does. And if you get in there now, you're going to be able to have it every day until it's discontinued. Mate, I'm coming back every day this week just to have this for lunch. I'll buy 2 of them, save one for dinner too. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I do a review. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are fingerling.